Just destroy us. Just kidding.
So we're starting it off. RIP, it's a done deal.
All right, guys, we're very excited to be here today with the world's very best top scooter rider. Is that how you say it?
Scooter rider, yeah, scooter, whatever you want to call it. We all get it.
Yeah, but the world's best, people. And he was like, I have to come to Braille and challenge you guys. And we were like, okay. I'm putting lots of words in his mouth.
Yep.
But we're gonna play a game of skateboard. You know how this works?
Are we spelling out skateboard?
The whole thing, dude.
Oh, wow, okay.
Because we know that we're gonna give you a hurtin', so we want you to have a lot of chances.
Just like in New York when John Reyes handed it to us.
I know, we just got destroyed. That's why there's so many letters. Everything I say is basically the opposite of what it is. We have the entire Braille team. They're pumped, they're excited, and they're ready to get their skate on.
Mowgli.
Glow.
Yeah.
So here's how this works. He does a scooter trick, or we do a skateboard trick, and you have to do the equivalent of the trick on the scooter/skateboard. So, for example, if we do a kickflip, what would that be on a scooter?
Bar spin.
So let's say we do
A double whip. Yeah.
There's a lot of rules involved, and basically we will try to break all of them.
Okay.
So right now we're gonna do a Rochambeau, and to see who goes first.
Aaron, if you lose, you know we're getting skunked.
Oh wait, I have a question.
Yeah.
So is it, are we doing like pass off, or is like if I land my trick and you don't, it's still my turn?
So your turn.
Okay.
What does that mean, pass off? Is that a thing?
That's just like the weak way of giving people a chance.
Yeah. So I wasn't sure.
No, we don't do that.
Wasn't sure. Okay, good.
If you win, just destroy us. Just kidding. If we win, destroy them.
Yeah, deal. All right, here we go.
Okay, you ready? Gabe! Dude, I told you not to roll paper.
Why did we
You know, Uzi never loses.
Why would you put him in
Y'all should
charge?
have picked me.
Tell me that. Why don't you say, hey, Uzi's our best bet?
Great. But it's usually out of
Hey,
3.
it's a facade.
It's usually out of 3.
He did win out of 3.
He lost the first time.
Okay.
All right.
All right. So we're starting it off.
Oh my God.
Where in the world is Carmen San Diego?
So Nigel's up. Who's up? Come on. Nigel.
I need help up.
All right, your trick.
My trick.
Nigel, are you okay?
Yeah, I knew I wasn't gonna land it. I don't know why you guys made me go.
All right, we'll go to the rail, and we'll do front board, down the rail,
Okay, down?
down.
All right.
A little slippery.
Mowgli.
Okay. How about a 270 downside whip on this bank right here, on the little hip?
It's like a back big spin.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a big spin.
That's that big spin, baby.
Okay. I got this, fools. Let's.
Sorry. Front flip off the 3 block.
RIP. It's a done deal. What about what would a Braille flip be considered?
I don't know what that is.
Dolphin flip.
Hard flip?
That was majestic.
Thank you.
Okay, jeez. Dang, that was majestic.
He literally looks like a soaring eagle.
He did. That was good. And can we get some comments in the comments section for Mowgli's haircut, please?
No.
What do you mean, no? Look, come on, dude.
I know.
Pour it up.
I don't even do nothing to it. It's just dry. It's
Same. It just looks so good. I don't have to do nothing.
Okay. We'll do a Braille flip over this. Should we do on this one or this one?
Probably on this one.
This one? Okay. We'll do this one then.
We're not actually good at skateboarding, Raymond.
No.
Do
I didn't say that. I did not say that. You guys kill it. Okay, so Braille flip on the A-frame.
Where am I safe?
That's fine. That's fine.
Where am I safe? Anywhere. You never miss it.
You haven't seen this.
It literally shouldn't be under him. It shouldn't have. When his feet touched the ground, the scooter was up here, and then next thing you know, he's riding away.
Landed that one right there. That would have been sick.
Hard flip Uzi?
What?
Hard flip?
What?
Hard flip the A-frame?
No, I can't.
Because your heel.
But you jumped down that on a
I didn't touch my heels.
Somebody could varial flip though, right?
Very heel flip. Wait, what?
Varial kick flip.
Barrel is chilling.
Gabe, we need you. You're the varial flip
I haven't
champion.
skated in like 3 weeks.
None of us have, dude.
You want me to embarrass myself right now?
But you want me to varial flip it?
I mean, I will, but I mean, I feel like you have a better chance than I do.
Oh, the varial flip was easier.
Okay, I'm gonna try a half cab tail whip on the A-frame, which would,
Big spin.
yeah.
We in here, let's go! Not we out here.
Why is our team is so dejected already?
I know, why are they so down?
I
You
don't
guys
know.
are good people.
So I hit him with the up box, back
Yeah.
50, back 180.
Yes.
Let's go. What are you doing? We just didn't warm up. We're just getting started though. We're just getting started.
Hey, where's John Hill when you need him? All right.
Alright, I'm gonna get his back on that, but I'm gonna do it on the down ledge, but feeble. So, but that's basically the same as at 50.
Yeah.
Oh, what? I didn't see it. What happened?
Back 50, back 180 on the down hubba.
Yeah.
Want me to try it?
We're still in this. We've got a chance.
Alright, how about a flare on the quarter?
I think I got an idea.
Early grab cartwheel.
Yo. What? Oh my god.
Contest, mate. Is that an E or what?
I'll get a
That's a redo. No, that's a redo.
Rebate?
That's a rebate. Let's go. Put the
Flares?
team on your back, Mo.
Okay, we'll do a 180 down the 3 block.
All right, guys, who's got a 180 down the 3 block? You got this.
I hope so. I haven't tried it today. I think you got it. If you have to do it on the 3-foot, do it on the 3-foot.
Oh, dude. I can't do that one, dude.
Oh.
That's ass, dude.
Okay. Now we're in this. My turn?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, put dirt on your name.
No, dude.
Double flip.
You're in, dude.
Oh God.
No big deal. What is he doing? Hold on. Does this focus itself?
You gotta press the button.
Which one?
Lightly press on it.
That one?
Yeah.
These guys are embarrassing.
Do you think he's got it? Does Gabe have the double kickflip straight on the A-frame?
Someone else go and just cut that out.
No! That was good, dude. You had it.
Let's try.
Go ahead.
Bodied.
Let's try on the long manu pad right here. We'll try whip manual and then whip out. So if and I feel like that's just a kickflip
Kickflip,
manual
manu,
is
kickflip.
normally like hard.
Whose turn? Mogs?
Whose turn? Mowgli, that's drywall. Thanks.
It's a little solid though.
Oh, dude. Almost lost him.
He comes from the jungle. He lives under the sea. Mowgli, yeah!
Is my phone okay? Aaron. Mogs?
Dude, that's gnarly. The early grab scares me.
Why does he just do that? He lifts his foot up, spins it, catches it, lands. How? Why?
I'm gonna kick flip it. Landed it. See that? I landed it. That should count.
Dude, come on.
Uzi, you're up.
Can't, but that's like a double kick flip.
Yeah, on your tech deck.
Oh, I got you.
Straight flip to 5.
How about double kick flip? Straight flip. Straight flip? How do I get to beat this? I landed it.
He did it! You actually did it. Hey, that was gnarly, dude. How'd you do that? Yo, that's counts.
We're gonna count the
100% count the fingerboard.
We're gonna count the fingerboard?
Heck yeah.
Leave it in the comments below. This is just.
Oh my.
Who's got that? Who didn't eat breakfast today?
Got that. I can't. With my tech deck, I can't. Wow.
Contest make? Rebate?
Right?
Yeah.
For real, what happened?
I think that's good, right?
Is that good? Leave it in the comments below. This game. A?
All right, 2 letters left.
2 letters left. Okay.
Just had to do it over the harder part. Couldn't take it easy. It's close.
That's an R.
Yeah, I almost freaking did it, dude. Almost. It's all you, bro.
You're not gonna try that?
No.
You can try that.
No, dude. You got the wrong guy.
Who's got a manual heel flip? Everybody gets to try this, right?
Manual heel flip? I can heel flip manual. I don't know about manual heel flip.
You guys can give your 2 tries away.
I'm sending them to my bro.
8 total.
8 total.
I got you.
No.
I'm gonna take my 2 tries, but everybody else probably give it to Mowgli because he's really close.
All right, you got 2 tries. Mowgli's got 3 left.
It's all about getting a good foot set up. And I didn't have that.
That's game.
That's game, dude!
Yo, you guys had a nasty comeback coming hard, dude. I was like, oh goodness.
You guys, check it out. Huge thanks to Raymond for coming out here and destroying us utterly and killing the park. That was amazing.
Thank you.
I love to just see you flip.
Oh, I got like flares and stuff?
Yes! Isn't that amazing? I mean,
Thanks.
we don't just flip, you know? It's not the thing you just, oh, let's just flip.
Nigel does.
That's true. That's true. He does. He's a flying stallion. All right, let him know. What do you want?
If you guys want to check out my YouTube and Instagram, both will be in the description below. Click those links, subscribe, follow if you guys would like. Shouts out to the Braille team for letting me cruise out, have a good time here in the skate park. It's so much fun every time I come out here, and hope to come out again soon.
Yes, thank you so much for coming. That was amazing.
Thank you.
And yeah, check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes, you, learn how to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com, and you can learn how to do it. We're making skateboarding go to more people in the whole world, and that involves you.